I'm Pharmacist Ben, and it's time for another moment of truth. When most people consider hormone therapy, they're usually thinking about prescription estrogen and testosterone, two powerful biochemicals that come replete with toxicity and side effects, even if they can sometimes improve symptoms associated with aging. But if you'd like to benefit from hormone replacement and you don't want to deal with a script or toxicity, you might want to consider progesterone. The underappreciated hormone is available over the counter, has remarkable feel-good benefits, and the only likely side effect you may experience if you use too much is a little fatigue. That's because unlike prescription hormones, progesterone has a relaxing effect. In fact, the calming properties of progesterone make it an ideal companion to take with estrogen and testosterone, both of which can cause nervousness and anxiety. Progesterone, which is useful for both men and women, improves muscle development and bone strength, fertility and libido, and supports weight loss and healthy blood sugar. And it's therapeutic for ladies dealing with PMS, fibroids, cramps, and other menstrual issues. For women in menopause, it can help reduce hot flashes too. You can get progesterone in capsules, but I like progesterone cream or topical liquid, which are readily and inexpensively available on the internet. Look for 2 to 10% strengths. Make sure the ingredients say real bioidentical progesterone, and a good dose should cost you $1 a day or less. That's today's moment of truth. Have a beautiful day. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.